Welcome. We're going to talk about checklist templates. So for this one, I'm going to just take an existing card, this one, and I'm going to start adding checklists. Now, the most simplest way to add a checklist is just to click Add Checklist, give it a name, and just type in a few tasks in here and call it a day. That would be the manual way of doing it. I'm going to show you how to do it the automated way by adding checklists this time from a existing checklist on this board. So if I click here, I'm going to see every checklist that already exists on this board, and I can look for them using the search. I'm going to take this one. This one looks good to me, so I'm going to click it and I'm going to add it. So as you can see, I'm able to reuse existing checklists that are already on this board. Now the next way is from templates. I'm going to click here, and this time I'm going to look from a list of existing templates. And as you can see, I have all these templates available to me, and I'm going to take the new issue one and I'm going to add it. And there you go. We've got now a checklist that just came in. Now, let me show you how to save a checklist template. I'm going to take the one I created at the bottom. I'm going to call it tasks I love, and I'm going to save this one as a template. All I have to do is click checklist, save checklist as a template. It's already saved, and I can go and see all my checklist templates. So I'm going to click right here, and here they are. So these are the ones I was showing to you that were available from the menu. The last one at the bottom is the one I just created, and I can modify it, right? I can add more tasks to it, or I can also decide to create my checklist from here. By clicking Add Checklist, I would start from a basic one, and again, I'm going to go quickly by just creating 3 of them quickly. So as you can see, you manage your checklist here for the board, and you can then leverage them into your cards. That's it. Checklist template, time saver, great way to standardize and help your team know what to work on by picking exactly the tasks that are needed for a specific card. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you for watching.